Hey guy, what's up, Joe? Alright, this is an old video I need to catch up on. Actually, it's kind of funny that that's kind of starting to happen with me recently. I noticed, I have a lot of video ideas that I write down that they just bunched up, so I did a bunch of videos to catch up on, my topics and ideas and questions to answer. And also I had old videos that I need to catch up on that I filmed, but I haven't edited them yet. And this is one of them, so I don't know, kind of interesting. I just noticed that, or I just thought about it right now that it's happening. Oh, shows you how busy I'm getting, or I create more ideas than I'm able to keep up with, cool stuff. But anyways, this is something that happened when I was in Vegas, back in January. It's we're almost heading towards the end of February of me making this video, and this is when me and my girlfriend stayed behind after CES was over, right? Paul drove home, I stayed back, dealing with the guilt and shame of drinking too much and shit. So the girlfriend, seeing that I was kind of bummed out that, I fucked up in that sense, she surprised me by taking me to a rage room to get some frustration out, right? And that shit was fun as fuck, right? Now, the name of this place is called Axe Monkeys. You're able to go there and do some axe throwing. They have a rage room, right? This was almost a 15-minute drive away from the main strip area, because the further away you get from the strip, the less expensive things are, right? So yeah, she found that place, she booked a room, and basically they already have some things inside for you to start smashing, but he had another room in the back where you're able to pick up additional items to purchase to break, right? Depending on what you get, they're itemized, right? So say if you want to break glass, cups, it was $3 a glass cup, right? They have other shit, they go by size, right? I got a computer monitor that I wanted to smash, to get some fucking frustration out. He said, oh, that's $30, right? To break a monitor. They had something bigger, say a giant printer, that was $50, so it kind of goes on from there, right? You are able to take some of your stuff in there to break, but they do charge you an extra fee for doing that, depending, right? Because they're the ones that stay behind to clean up your mess after you fuck up everything, right? So that's how the pricing works for this particular one. I'm not sure how similar it is for other rage rooms, but that's how this guy worked. Yeah, they hooked it up with a face mask, gloves, boots, and jumpsuits to dress up in. And like I said, this was fun as shit. It was a 20 minutes, a room all to ourselves. They gave you bats and hammers and pipes and all kinds of shit to start fucking shit up. So it was fun. And definitely you can work up a sweat. There's a general direction where they want you to throw all your mess at, all the broken shards of glass or whatever. They want it in a certain environment contained, right? Yeah, overall rage rooms, they're fun. They're definitely fun. And if you have one nearby your house, I would suggest it, right? And yeah, call ahead of time and let them know if you're able to take something, or if you want to have experience to actually break a guitar, you take an old cheap one and then you can go and smash it and have fun with it, right? Do whatever. Just you make sure you call the rage room first and ask them about that. So anyways, yeah, rage rooms, if you have one around, go for it. It's fun. I suggest it, right? I definitely felt better after fucking some shit up. Anyways, that's all I have to say. Thanks for hanging out. Take care and peace.